So imagine we want to improve our diet. So in this case, we're going to be using ChatGPT as a dietitian. So I'm trying to lose weight, but I don't have a diet plan. Can you write me one? So ChatGPT will output some generic information. Start your day with a high protein breakfast, such as eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein shake, and blah, blah, blah. So we were not really specific in our prompt, like what is our current weight, what is our goal, and so on and so forth. So this is kind of a generic advice, but rest assured that there are hundreds or even thousands of websites out there on the internet that take money for this kind of advice, but you get it for free with ChatGPT, of course. But we can be more specific. We can say, well, can you give us some sort of a menu, what we can eat? And you can calibrate this request depending on your budget, product availability, or on the contrary, shortages. And also, maybe you are allergic to some kind of a product and you want to avoid this product by all costs. So here we can see that we have a menu for breakfast, snack, lunch, and snack again, and dinner. But you can say, can you give me like menu for the rest of the week? Or can you swap the menus around or swap the products around? Or can you exclude or add some sort of a product or calibrate them by calories, etc.?